Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another one from Nadula Hair. I have the pleasure of coming through with a T-shaped lace with the silk base part, and I am so excited about this unit. You know, lace in the front and lace in the back. Okay, she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. Look at this lace part, and they use the fabric to give you a more nude look throughout your part, which I actually really do love. And she's meant to be worn in the middle. Okay, and look at all these inches, y'all. This hair feels fantastic. No tangles. I'm just running my finger through her. Let's throw her on. All right, my guys, let's get back to Nadula's straight wig fake scalp unit. Okay, now we are coming through with a 24-inch Brazilian, okay, fake scalp unit, and she is fire. Now, mother is going for just under $240, and quite frankly, that's relatively inexpensive for all the inches, okay, the inches that you get. She is coming through. Mother is providing. So I am just going through and straightening her all the way out, okay, because we want to get her as bomb and silky as possible. Now, she is a 1B natural black, okay, and this closure is a 4x4 lace closure with that fake scalp lace that gives you that nude sexy look, okay. Nude parting sexy look. A lot of y'all's nasty. I heard your thoughts. Okay, so this unit really is bomb. I didn't experience any shedding, okay, like at all. She did not tingle for me at all. She really did come through. I was super excited with how she turned out, and I, for full disclosure, wore her for a full day before I actually reviewed her. And I must say that this unit is beautiful. Even after the way she felt afterwards and everything, I was super impressed with everything that she had going on. I would definitely implore you guys to go check out nadulatb. I have a coupon code in the Mammy tab description box for you guys to check them out, because they are coming through with some quality, okay? And we are here for it. All right, y'all. Nadula hair. Oh my goodness, I didn't even mean to feel like Aaliyah in this moment, but I do. Look at this hair, y'all. Bust up on her. She is stunning. It's super lightweight. She's relatively affordable. Like, I'm really surprised, especially for the texture of this hair and the inches. I think that this is a unit that you guys need to check out. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me turn around for you guys. My spouse has a gig tonight, so it worked out. I was like, oh, let me just review this right now and get into this with you guys. And we can really, I'm really into her. She is stunning. That's up on her. And it's just this much lace, guys. Now, again, this is meant to be a middle part because that's all track right here, okay? She's stunning. Absolutely, positively stunning. I really don't have anything else to say about her except for check out Nadula hair. They have really been impressing me lately. So I've done a review on the headband wig unit as well, and this hair is absolutely positively stunning. I'm super excited about her. You guys need to check them out. Check them out, guys. They are so fire. I don't want to put no more product in this. The hair feels stunning. Stunning. I ain't got nothing else to say. I got places to go, people to see, and I hope you beautiful mugs enjoyed this. Get into this bone straight love, sex, and magic. Come on, Nadula hair. You guys came through. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.